Plenty of power to get you in trouble, plenty of power to have fun. That's the Light Bee X for you. That's what they should put on the box. Out of the box, let's go. What's good, YouTube? We are finally out with the new Light Bee. Just gonna take the Light Bee X out for a spin today. I'm normally used to riding the Throne, so this is the first time on a Light Bee. Hey, and we got Electric Bike Life out with us today, showing us around the beautiful city of Tempe. That control, and oh yeah, and he's got the new Hyper Bee. It's fucking sick. We got our hands on a 2024 Surron Light Bee X. And we're gonna do a couple mods to it. We're gonna just start simple. I got some parts on the way, so we're gonna do a simple build on this guy. Eventually, we will do a 72-volt swap on this, but I need some sponsors, so I appreciate all the new subscribers recently. I really do. But Chai batteries, please. I need a battery, please. Dude, I gotta get that control down, gang. We're gonna get there. We're gonna put in the man hours, and we're gonna get there. So yeah, this is literally first impression, unbox, ride, and review of the Surron Light Bee X. So I didn't go with the 2025 model. I actually went with the Phantom Purple 2024 model because I got a way better deal on this right now, and I figured for a Surron build, I kind of want to start with something like the ye old faithful and totally swap out controller, motor, and everything like that. So just for the price of this alone, it didn't make sense to get the new one. I was able to get this one for a steal. Oh, little pupper. I gotta get used to this Surron throttle. Feels totally different. It's super light. It's just like a mountain bike. You can throw it around like a mountain bike. It's cool, but it needs some upgrades. It needs a Surron, or it needs the riser bars like ASAP. Needs a direct mount stem ASAP. Needs some pegs ASAP. Hey. Let me see if I can do my little fuck. I'm working on it. Yeah, the throttle's different on this. Hey. There we go. Fire. Let's go. Hey, sick. Dude, the Hyper Bee's legit.
So fast, it's just as fast as this until 40. And then it
kind of tapers.
But you can also like adjust it and put it down to maybe mode 1 or 2 if your kids.
Oh, true.
But yeah, mode 3 is fast.
Overall impressions of the Light Bee is cool. It's just a super light bike, and I'm sure once I put the bars on, it's going to be a hell of a lot better. It just, I feel like I'm a little lower, like slanted down, which is kind of like a mountain bike feel. The biggest thing for the Light Bee is aftermarket support, dude. You run into a lot of issues with new bike companies that have a limited amount of parts out for them, where the Surron's been out the longest and have the most aftermarket support, so you can literally fully customize these things for whatever you want. It is a little more expensive. There are better options if you're looking at spec sheets as far as batteries, controllers, power wise, fresh out of the box for the amount of money, but you really got to think about aftermarket. When you start the upgrade, Surron Light Bee, you're gonna have plenty of options. It's a really good first bike. My wife is starting to ride, and this is actually gonna be her dedicated bike to ride, and when she's not riding it, I'm gonna rip it. Super simple to operate. The throttle feels amazing. Surron has one of the best throttles. What the fuck was that? A floating fish? With a few mods, this bike would be dialed just in its stock form. I don't plan on doing anything immediately power-wise to this thing. Mainly just suspension, the bars, and I gotta learn that Surron hop. I know for sure I'm gonna want more power here soon, but we need that battery sponsor. Somebody, please. The bike is just so light. It's you can just ride this thing carelessly and you'll be all right. Kind of pick it up out of sketchy situations. I haven't been able to fully wheelie this thing yet. It's my first time on the bike, so I'm still trying to figure this thing out. Oh, this is cool. This is a little boat ramp. Trying to hold it. Yeah, I just gotta pull up harder. Yeah, okay, I just gotta pull up harder. I got this, gang. We got this. A little slower. Alright, we're figuring this bike out. Ooh, some stairs. Should we hit some stairs? Ah, no stairs. Yeah, overall, man, this bike, it's smooth. It literally feels like a mountain bike. You just whip it around. Feels good. You gotta turn this regen down. Little city vibes. So overall, man, you can't go wrong with a Light Bee. Just light and nimble is what you're looking for in e-bikes. I wonder if we can bunny hop this thing. That was the main selling point also for getting one. I could have gotten out another Throne or an e-ride, but I low-key did want something a little light and nimble, especially to progress in my wheelie journey. I figured I can learn some new tricks on the Light Bee and then take it to the Throne. But overall, I kind of really like this lightweight feel of the bike, and it's really selling me. It's I love the Throne. I love the throttle response of the Throne. I love everything about that bike, how it feels at balance point. But it is a little hefty, and when I'm off-road, it definitely helps me out. A little more weight to the tires to keep me planted, but on the road, and after riding this a little bit, I'm like, this is kind of nice. It's super light, easy to throw around. So we'll see, gang. We'll see where this Surron journey takes us, but I have a good feeling about it, and I'm pretty stoked. And yeah, the handle's solid. Suspension right out of the box needed some adjustment, but once I got that dialed, we are good to go. Let me see, we got one. We got a good one in here. Okay, we got half of one. All right, we're getting there. We're getting there. Get some practice in. Get some. Oh my God, I can't even talk. This feels weird. Whoa, I leaned over on that. Yeah, dude, I really like this bike. I really like the feel. I gotta bring the missus out here. She'll dig it. There we go. There we go. Gotta put a couple more reps in, gang. We're getting somewhere. These knobbies feel terrible to wheelie though. It's just going side to side on me so much. Suspension feels solid though. You'd be surprised. Yeah, this is so much fun, dude. It's just easy to throw around. Sick. Yeah, this is cool. I dig it. Yeah, I really got to yank up on this. But now that I kind of figured it out, it should be a little easier. Dude, it's sick back here. So yeah, overall, Light Bee is the way to go for something light, hence the name. That's fucking gnarly. I thought for sure they would say something. Yeah. Probably wondering top speed of the Surron Light Bee X. Let's do it. $44, baby. 45. Can we keep keep up with the Hyper Bee. We are on the Hyper Bees. Yeah, 45 is all you need for this lightweight bike. 130 pounds, 45 miles an hour. That's all you need, dude. That's all you need to have some fun. Yeah, dude, this thing is zappy. For fucking 60 volt, this thing gets up and moves. I really don't think you need anything more. Just to have some fun. Now, it's not gonna break any records. This is fun, just zooming around on a mountain bike-sized bike or e-bike. Plenty of power. Plenty of power to get you in trouble. Plenty of power to have fun. That's the Light Bee X for you. That's what they should put on the box.